Okay, Vortex. So I thought that I would explain. I was about to say briefly, but then I was like, don't say that, because you know how we tend to go on and on about different things that we believe, or different things that we have studied, assessments that we have made. I started doing this YouTube channel because I think that there's a dire shortage of real content with real people that are just living their lives. That's why I shoot the videos the way that I shoot them, on the way to work, on the way to the grocery store, on the way to pursue my comedy dreams. That's a joke. It's a joke. There's no such thing as a comedy dream, all right? Let me tell you, people that do stand-up, not all of them, but I would say most of them, are trying to validate something. They're trying to validate yeah, get the fuck away from me. Get the fuck away from me. Okay, I'm sorry to use your turn signal. I feel like a bitch. Ooh, they finally paved the road. Well, that one part of it. Yay, they paved that one part of the road. The rest of it looks like shit. That's fine. It's fine. They're gonna take their time. They always do. You should be used to that. See if my manager called me back. Nope, he did not. Because they're probably really busy. Maybe I should call them. There's no point calling them. They know you're gonna be fucking late. You're always late. Yeah, okay. Yeah, but I'm a real person that is not working for Zionists, and I have real thoughts that, you know, I'm pretty sure are my own thoughts, mainly because nobody agrees with them. Like, I might say things here and there that people agree with, but I always expect my new subscribers to drop off, because at some point you're going to disagree with me, and I'm willing to bet a lot of money that you're a pussy. I'm willing to bet a lot of money that whatever it was that you agreed with me on isn't enough to keep you here, because people are so sensitive these days, and they can't handle somebody not going along with, like, the way that they've idealized them. I'm so grateful that I studied mental illness for as long as I did, because it's really taught me, like, everything that's wrong with our society. I thought that I was studying myself, and in a way I was. I started with borderline personality disorder, because I'm a woman, so that just makes sense, right? Well, I started with borderline personality, and I feel like I understand that disorder inside and out. see it with so many comedians. Of course, they're more on the narcissistic end of it than the schizophrenic end. Schizophrenia really is the best one. I mean, people can bitch about it all they want. It's because they don't understand it. Anything that they don't understand, they just think is bad. I could literally solve all the world's problems. People just listen to me. No, but I'm told that quite often. I'm told, like, man, you really have a lot of answers that the world needs. Well, the algorithm is a lot like whatever feminists think patriarchy is. It's actually holding me back, okay? But I'm not gonna like go along with the world so that I can please the algorithm. Fuck that shit. I'd rather commit suicide, because essentially that's suicide, you know? Like, if you go along with the world and you compromise your own principles and what you think is right and wrong, like, you're gonna hate yourself for that. So it's like, oh, what's gonna happen? I get what, like maybe 500 more people to subscribe to me, and that just means that, like, I'll have even more people that hate me. I'll have even more people that shit on what I do and completely misinterpret me, try to take my ass down with their really mean-spirited comments. I can look at my phone too, damn it. For a second. There's nothing to entrance me. But anyway. Mental illness is definitely not something that is well understood, and people can't empathize with it. You know, like, they don't have actual empathy in regards to it. They have this like pretend compassion. So everything's politicized now. In case you haven't noticed, everything's politicized because everyone has a smartphone in their pocket that's telling them to politicize everything. Thank you for the turn signal. And so because of that, thank you. Thank you. If they could politicize the turn signal, they would. I could tell myself that every single person that uses their turn signal must be a Christian conservative, but I would probably be wrong. You know? That's not always true. And I think that what with politics and with mental illness, both of those things, it's like there's this war on consciousness. And that's what people are fighting about all the time. Like, oh, well, you're not conscious of this, you're not conscious of that. If you don't have empathy, you're not conscious.